Hey everybody, my name's Chris Dalton, PA here with Lacenta. We're here at the Huntington Park office here. We're here kind of just to show you a quick office tour, see the parking lot and the staff and everything, and let's get started. All right, so this is where you'll walk in. All right, this is where the waiting room is. We got a little TV. This is where you'll check in with the office staff. Reception, a couple of MAs are here with us today, so they'll help you out with check-in, putting your pharmacy, any questions that you may have before you see one of us. Let's take you back to one of our office rooms and kind of see what's going on back there. We got 3 rooms here, 1, 2, 3. Bathrooms right here, so always know if you need to use the bathroom, straight ahead. This is our scope room. This is probably the room where if we have any issues regarding the ears, nose, or throat, we can use a scope in here. One of the rigid scopes or one of the flexible cameras. This is room 2. One of our consult rooms. 2 and 3 are pretty similar. We can use this as a basic consult room, but we have pretty much everything equipped for like ear cleanings as well. 3 here. This one's nice and sunny if you want to do any sun tanning, that kind of stuff. Otherwise, that's pretty much a quick tour here of our office. If you do have any questions, our phone number is listed in the caption below, and then you can even email us as well. So hope to see you soon.